all about my favorite plant, the enchanting Oxalis purpurea. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, I want to share my love for a truly captivating plant, the Oxalis purpurea, also known as the purplewood sorrel. This little gem has stolen a piece of my heart with its delicate beauty and unique personality. For those curious about bringing this charmer into their lives, or for plant enthusiasts who want to learn more, I've compiled a handy FAQ to answer all your burning questions about the Oxalis purpurea. See more 569 species in genus Oxalis at monsteraholic.com. What is an Oxalis purpurea? The Oxalis purpurea is a captivating bulbous perennial that hails from South Africa. It boasts clover-like, shamrock-shaped foliage in a stunning deep green. During its active growing season, it produces clusters of delicate, lavender-pink blooms with a cheerful yellow throat. Is Oxalis purpurea easy to care for? Absolutely. This little trooper is a dream for beginner plant parents. It thrives in well-draining soil and prefers moderate watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. It's happiest in bright, indirect sunlight, though it can tolerate some periods of dappled shade. Does Oxalis purpurea have special needs? Not particularly. It's a low-maintenance plant that doesn't require frequent feeding. A light application of balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season is sufficient. However, it does enter a dormant period during hot summers. During this time, you can reduce watering and allow the foliage to die back. How big does Oxalis purpurea get? This petite plant typically reaches a mature height of around 4 to 6 inches, making it perfect for container gardening or adding a touch of whimsy to terrariums. It has a spreading growth habit, forming delightful little colonies. Is Oxalis purpurea different from other wood sorrels? There are many varieties of wood sorrel, but Oxalis purpurea stands out with its captivating lavender-pink blooms. Its closest relative is likely the Oxalis luteola, also known as the yellow wood sorrel. This cousin boasts cheerful yellow flowers and slightly larger, greener foliage. Does Oxalis purpurea have any interesting traits? This fascinating plant possesses a touch of magic. Both the leaves and flowers are photosensitive. They open wide to greet the sunshine and gracefully fold shut when the light fades. This adds to its whimsical charm. Can Oxalis purpurea be grown outdoors? While it thrives indoors in most climates, Oxalis purpurea can also be enjoyed outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 7 to 10. In colder regions, it's best to grow it in containers that can be brought indoors during winter. How do I propagate Oxalis purpurea? This delightful plant is easy to propagate from its little bulbils, tiny bulbs, that form at the base of the mother plant. Simply lift them gently after the foliage dies back in summer and pot them in well-draining soil. Is Oxalis purpurea toxic to pets? Unfortunately, yes. The leaves and bulbs of Oxalis purpurea contain oxalic acid, which can be harmful if ingested by pets. If you have curious furry or feathered friends, it's best to keep this plant out of reach. Where can I find Oxalis purpurea? These little charmers can often be found at garden centers and online plant retailers. They're also a popular choice for plant swaps among gardening enthusiasts. Final thoughts on the enchanting Oxalis purpurea. The Oxalis purpurea is a true gem for any plant lover. Its delicate beauty, low-maintenance nature, and unique photoresponsive traits make it a joy to own. So, if you're looking for a charming addition to your indoor jungle or a delightful container plant for your patio, the Oxalis purpurea is definitely worth considering.